Hi traders, this is Mr. Golden. Today we will analyze with you the indicator, which called RSI. Many of you have already asked me about it, whether I use it in trading or not. I'll tell you this, I use it in trading when I want to gain some, let's say, more confident positions. When the market is less clear to me, then I can turn to this indicator in order to help me fulfill clear positions. So the pocket option platform, where should we take the RSI indicator? So go to the Indicators tab, select the RSI indicator. We can also mark it with a star so that it goes to our Favorites tab. So let's select the indicator. What should be done first? Firstly, we need to stretch our indicator by clicking here so that everything can be seen more clearly. The indicator will immediately be set to the correct values, so you do not need to do anything with it. For your own convenience, so to speak, you can go into the style and simply change the color of the line if you do not like this color. Okay, now let's talk about the indicator itself, or rather the oscillator to be precise. That is, what does it indicate to us? We have here, as you can see, a sliding line going. We have lines at level 30 and 70. What do these levels mean? That is, when the price, this indicator, will be below the level of 30. This will signal to us that the price is oversold, that the asset is oversold, and that we may consider its further purchase. So it will definitely signal to us that we do not consider short positions. A similar position when the indicator goes beyond the level 70, as in this case. This may signal to us a further short movement, but it is not yet a confirmation that we need to buy it, because it may be there a little longer than we expect. How should we use this indicator so that everything works for us? Let's even take the Euro-USD pair and try to apply this indicator. Also, this indicator, of course, reflects the movement of the price according to the time frame that you have configured. That is, I have 15 million. If I turn on 5 million, it will look like this. You should also understand this. According to the time frame in which you are looking at the price and the indicator, you should set the time for the expiration of the position. I already explained about this earlier. Okay, let's look at the general price context first. What do we have here? We have a potential target here in the form of an imbalanced fair value gap of one value. Let's mark it with a line as our potential price target. This concerns the logic of price behavior in general. After all, everything needs to be combined in trade. Each element is important. This long movement was formed in us as a result of withdrawal of liquidity from this side. Let's also mark the horizontal line with this level of liquidity. Okay, let's make it blue and a little fatter. Cool. Now we move on to the 5-minute chart. What do we see here? We see at the moment of this short impulse that our indicator has reached the level 30. Then it received a reverse push in the long direction, where we had to understand that we can perform the position on this segment when the indicator has moved to the zone of 50% of the range. This was our confirmation that we can continue the long movement. As you can see, if we had opened a position here for 5 and up to 7 minutes, the position would have worked out great. At this stage, the indicator is already close to the oversold zone. Accordingly, it is unwise to open a position at the moment. We can wait for the price to drop back down to the 50% level of the range or move on and look at other assets. Let's save this asset so that we have it in quick access. And let's see what the price shows here. Let's find some suitable asset. Here's how, for example. No, it won't be here. I'm sorry. Let's look further, guys. This is how, for example, here. As we can see, our indicator was near the zone 30, near the oversold zone, then anchored above the 50 zone, and is now consolidating at this zone. Thus, the continuation of the long movement is possible and highly probable. However, the indicator signals to us that we can get into this movement, meaning in consolidation, or in other words, in flat. Let's see what else there is to perform the position extremely accurately. Here we have the indicator in the oversold zone, returned back to the range. And here we are already pushing away from the zone where we can open short positions. The time frame is 5 minutes. Accordingly, the expiration time will also be 5 minutes. As we can see, we had a long movement, our indicator shows us, after which we entered the oversold zone, which means it went beyond our range, beyond 70, after which the price returned back to these limits. And already at the repeated retesting of level 70, we can open a short position in the direction of, for example, this inefficiency on M5 as a logical level for smart money. Let's mark this target and see how our position works. Let's open the 1-minute time frame to see more clearly how this might work. For a minute, we still have inefficiency in the form of a 1-minute fair value gap. Maybe the price will jump here, after which it will continue its short movement. Okay, let's wait for the position to finish, then we'll talk again. I publish these signals daily in the Telegram channel. It's all free. Join us. The link is below the video. Okay, we have 10 seconds left to end working out the position. Let's see how it ends. 3, 2, 1. Solid profit of $2,760 was received on our balance sheet. Okay, going back to the M5, as I said before, the indicator told us that we will have a rebound from this level and a short position. The logical target for our position was this M5 fair value gap, which we actually achieved. On the OTC market, I repeat again, it is normal that the position may not become ineffective and only be near her. So, I'm going to continue with a series of tutorial videos about the indicators, and we will also analyze the RSI indicator again in the next video, but already on the classic market, in order to clearly understand how to work with this indicator in different conditions. I hope you found this video helpful. Mr. Golden was on the line. By the way, we also have a Telegram channel where you'll find a lot of valuable information regarding trading. Through this channel, we provide access to our tools, the Golden Bot powered by AI, which delivers 50 to 100 signals per day with an accuracy of approximately 80% plus. A VIP channel where you'll not only receive signals but also detailed analysis of each trade, along with exclusive educational materials. Additionally, we have a premium channel where our core team offers support to help individuals become independent, successful traders. If you prefer not to learn or trade yourself, you can join copy trading and automatically copy our trades. In general, you'll find useful content, and we regularly hold contests and tournaments for our most active subscribers. Subscribe to our Telegram channel, and we wish you good luck and profit.